run out system. Me I tell you people, yo. The man I say something in a song, me I tell you. Right now the crooks them hungry. The crooks them I say, yo, anyhow, the crooks them go down, The whole Gaza go down to, Yeah, man, but yo, we have to take in the video and see what I go on. Yo, me I tell you, say, man, say, yo, mash up them sick, them style, Lisa hype and everything. You see it? Yeah, cause I remember say, where them did Lisa hype no in a Gaza camp again, Yeah, she no in a Gaza camp again, brother. You see it?
This skim, I show them licky boy, they love bling bling. And can't stand up on them own, but this king go for the throne, yeah, we outside risking.
Yo, Masicka say, go for the throne. I'ma go for the throne. You understand? He must say some boy just living in some man style. You understand? Some man a program them. You see it? One bag of nice. Yeah. And he might rinse him gun. You see me?
Gun load and me say no nice listening. For the force I'm a warm, I go missing. I the ask me for song and me no lip sing.
Yo. Man say, yo, them ask him for song. And a lip sing. You see it? Just listening. No nice. Listening. Going missing. You understand? My dog have to live.
The dog I'm a live, the gun rings in. Sick of rhymes that pan a track. Listen him. And boy leave I do a victim.
Yo, the man say, yo, sick of rhyme pan a track. People sick of rhyme fall out with the, Fall out with the, and I say, yo, one bag of thing man a talk about cartel. Man say cartel sell him out after him usually. Cut up fruits, scare him, go give him a prison and, Sean mother when she sick of him a run up and down for them and every little thing. You see it? Yeah, so one bag of thing people are going. So me see sickle line run out. I say one bag of thing and see Masicka put it in a song, yeah. So one bag of thing I expose in a song, yeah. I tell you say Masicka not easy, man. I call out everybody, brother.
Man for bust up on the face and split chin. Me see ya get away fast, yeah, you flick slim.
Yo, man say in a song say Tommy Lee, Leroy. Yeah, man, Tommy Lee Sparta a victim. Remember say Tommy Lee fought out on a ball. You understand? Enough page him get. You see me car man record him a ball and thing when cartel say yo want the percentage, Yeah. But look like Tommy Lee never make no money really, so pressuring. Man say Gaza ship sinking right now. Yeah, that the man them say right now, cause look here. Gaza Slim no dead. Gaza Kim no dead. When a two see Sheba. Who really left in a Gaza camp right now? The only thing a Tommy Lee, cause I don't see them really use popcorn or nothing right now, so Tommy Lee only artist so me say right now in a Gaza we active. Yo, the man say yo, through him no bleach. Yeah, and bling bling and all of them look something there. You see me? Yeah. Maybe them must say yo, you know do them something there, so you're not ready for in a camp yet. You see, but boy Jano. Masicka, remember in a dog. My name give strength still in a dog, so you see me? I guess he must say your cartel a pimp out the artist them too. You see me, car. Well, we see what go on in camp, everybody a get pimp, use and abuse, and if them go around the yard, them get black rhino and the whole of them. You see it. But you saw life funny. It take its own entity for bring down its own entity. Yo, I know that. You never know say this the other father where a man where I get the strength from this side would want to carry down the whole camp, but let's see what go on. Yo, man call out Sean Paul and Shaggy, brother. Cause remember, him and Shaggy a para one night time, You see it. And we see what go on with you when cartel forward out and some show shades a show, man a post, say man do this a show, and one bag of thing. You see me? So, it kinda, some talking I make, brother. Some talking I make. Cause remember when the cartel found out him and them must say, yo, other artists them not go on with nothing cartel. Give them 13 years and them couldn't do this and couldn't do that. You understand? So one bag of chatting now go on. Masicka, me no feel you calm, bro. Me no feel you calm, brother. Cause you is a man every time you go up on stage, bro. You all dep on video. Remember you found out where they about be hits. Who have the hits them? You go up on sun for so much time all the time say you're the baddest thing. That not calm, bro. You not calm, brother. Calm when nobody now hear you. You understand? The only artist when me see calm in a dancehall like with us, yo, I must say alkaline, cause I'm not too the social media thing, but you not calm, brother. Me I tell you that. But if you say you go for each one, say we are gonna see if you can take it out of cartel, it, no?
Killer them.
The man say any day Masicka drop, Gaza go fall. Remember any man I say yo cartel, remember say you have Tommy Leap and phone a ball, you know. You understand? You have Tommy Lee when you send so unique. If you go collect your percentage. Tommy Lee a ball on the phone. Yeah, cause Tommy Lee all have to come out and say you're not him, but everybody knows you're him still. You see me, so I go see what I go on, but me always say still, you know, the man them is like life very funny, you know. The man where them a defend still, you know. Like the Gaza artists, the man them where them a defend Rhino and all of them. Are the same man them with this them. I make them a ball. One a ball and one. They mash up that one, they carry him, they are foreign and can't left. You understand? So them have war for this man with Masicka to write it. But Masicka was there. Masicka was one of the son them, one of the man them where, you know? So look away, brother. So you did get a little strength off I got that thing. You see me? So the thing is that, bro, that's how enough of tie on a brand to certain people think just do no one thing, brother, cause when enough to separate, a lot of man maybe I go say, yo, what you do? We stick you say, you know, we see what going on with the other rest of Gaza artists them, you see it?
You them a fight it all boy in yard.
Yo, Jano, who name Schoolboy? I don't know who name say, you know. The Schoolboy and yard. Atlanta. Oh, yes, at the show in Atlanta. God, Masicka did go, you know. Masicka did go Atlanta. What do I must say, yeah, Atlanta show, Masicka did there. But other show they were in Atlanta, the same reggae fest or something. So it look like something go on. And from this, you know. And from this or something go on, some premiums are go on this when the man say I'm left in my yard. You see me? And say, send him money, him not do free work. No dog. So wait, so you tell me say, it look like Masicka go the Atlanta show with Kartel and it look seem like the look like Kartel them not pay him or nothing. Cause he must say yo, him want if he send money him not do no free show. Jaja. Yo, know that. Cause a two show them do in Atlanta, I think, you know. I think them do the main show and them do a after party show. But January rough.
Boy, them a talk about dog fi live. Put thing me bother me that deadline dog.
My dog them a fi live. Po! My dog them a fi live. But well, enough of dogs them me no see round Kartel again, so you know. A bag of thing forward out. You see it, so why Masicka? I don't know any dog, but think kinda sticky pan you, bro, cause you there on the Gaza thing, bro, and me not like you a little strength, brother. So I don't know I don't know you go forward out of this or that dog, you know, and I like alkaline thing where him never did I say Gaza none at all and fighting the day. But Remember, so one night time, you know, bro, you had to push the Gaza thing and not diss up Alkaline one night time, you know, bro. Remember, say you say Alkaline and live in a Vybz kartel style. Remember, you say, yo, some boy, I say, Gully Vendetta, Gaza genocide. Remember, you know, dog, and you usually say them thing, you know, brother. So, you so life funny. Yeah, man. Everything ricochet you get right now, you know. Yeah. But, we don't know where you found out of this one, yeah.
From bigger boy song, you know we had. A strength man give them in a the lonely yard.
Yo, people, who Masicka give strength in a lonely yard? Jaja, a we matter, a cartel matter, a must cartel matter, or who matter, him matter give strength in a lonely yard. And a family. I don't know how I go on. I wonder, strength in a lonely yard. I wonder if I in cartel the prison. In people want to think. Cause this alone a man with a lonely, you know. Give strength in a lonely yard. I wonder if a man a talk about his same infrared song. Cause Masicka they are road and cartel they are prison, so strength for strength, so Jano, but a rough dog, Masicka roll out mad. You see it?
Fight on the system, fight on the.
Man say fight on the system. You see it? Masicka. Now you see how Alkaline go through, you know. But we're gonna see how you fought from that one year, cause this one is not a normal move. I tell you that, so people, you know hear what go on, you know. Yeah, man, you know hear what go on. You don't know. Masicka run out, but people don't know media facts, you know. Yeah, man, bless up. You don't know. That is it.